Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Create a new folder in Google Drive and name it public or a clear label for sharing. This makes identification easier for collaborators and visitors. Create a new folder named public or similar. Next, right-click that folder and choose Get Link to open sharing controls so you can change visibility and copying options. Right-click the folder and choose Get Link. Finally, change the link setting to Anyone with the link and set the role to Viewer to avoid unintended edits. Change link to Anyone with the link and set role to Viewer. Use Anyone with the link for public access when appropriate. This replaces the old Public on the Web option and gives predictable access control. Use Anyone with the link for public access when appropriate. To prevent unwanted changes, set the role to Viewer so visitors can preview and download files but not alter them. Set role to Viewer to prevent edits and downloads if needed. For tighter control, disable editor access and uncheck. Allow editors to change permissions and share to control distribution and stop reshares. Disable editor access and restrict sharing to control distribution. Publish individual files via File Publish to the web for embed links when you need HTML-friendly URLs for documents, slides, or sheets. Publish individual files via File Publish to the web for embed links. If you need reliable public hosting for many static files, use Google Sites or Google Cloud Storage and serve via a custom domain. Use Google Sites or Cloud Storage for reliable public hosting of many files. Finally, regularly review sharing settings, audit access, and remove public links when they are no longer required to protect data. Regularly review sharing settings and remove access when not required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.